how to change card language in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Now this is interesting because if you change your card language, if people use Wonder Pick, they can get the card in that specific language. So if you want to do that, you will click on the three lines in the bottom right. Then you have to go into Other. Then go into Settings. And here, if you scroll down, you should see language selection, where it says language selection. If you click on language selection, you can choose between Spanish, French, German, Italian, all of these languages here, Korean, Japanese, Chinese. So if you change your language, this is also going to change your card language. And like I said, if somebody gets a card from you from Wonder Pick, it is going to be in that specific language, and also if you battle, it is going to display the cards in that language. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.